Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. Yes, so in this video, welcome back to another unboxing and quick impression. So yes, I have the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra right here. So my review unit here is the titanium yellow. So anybody team yellow, hashtag in the comments, okay? Alright, so let's not waste any more time and we just quickly check out. Now, as you can watch from this video, this unit is still sealed, okay? And you have to pull the tab, okay? I'm gonna pull the tab again. Okay, done. Okay, so let me pause for a while. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it for the first time. Bam, bam, here is the device, okay? So I'm going to put the device and just check out what's inside the box first. Okay, so basically that's all what you get. Papers, the SIM card slot ejector 2 pin here, and a Type-C to Type-C cable. Basically that's it, yeah. And then you just get a phone over here, which waiting for you to peel it off from its sticker. So basically it's just a screen protector sticker to make sure the device is in the pristine condition as ever. So as you can see, yeah, so there is first time just opening up. Wow, the titanium feel on the hand is truly amazing, to be honest. Let's do a quick impression right now for the design overall aesthetics. If you are going to look directly onto it, it definitely looks like the Galaxy S23 Ultra for sure. However, new design, subtle changes has been added. I think if you have watched from my video, I have mentioned that the flatter display, and also right now the camera rings, the laser and the telephoto camera no longer have the black rings. Yeah, so kind of like that. And even right now in person, yeah, the yellow color is really good. And if you're someone that loves the gold yellow feel into it, yeah, this actually does looks like the yellow gold-ish feels onto it, okay? So I don't think I'm gonna elaborate too much onto it. Let's start it up, okay? So I'm gonna fire this thing up and let it run for a while, and then I'm gonna give you my first impression takes on the device itself, okay? So hold on. Alright, so I've done all the setup and so much more, and because right now it's actually pretty much midnight, I'm gonna test some low light situation photos with this both device, okay? So here on my right hand, this is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This on the left one, the yellow color one, is the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm gonna try out a little bit of things, and I'll just do a quick sample preview for you guys to check out. And I'm gonna give some comments as well about their performance. Okay, so right now I am using the Galaxy S24 Ultra, as you can watch over here. I'm not going to turn on any lights for you guys. So I'm firstly, just a full auto shot, okay? Done, I have snapped it. Now I'm going to turn on the night shot, okay? So it has a beautiful preview right now. Okay, that is done. So next one. So now I turn on a flash, okay, and I'll just let you guys see what is the difference, okay. So I'm going to do the same thing for the Galaxy S23 Ultra over here. So starting off first, I am turning on using a lighting equipment right now, just to take a snapshot. Now I'm gonna turn off the light, okay. I'm gonna go for night mode, bam. And then I'm going to turn it off. Now I'm just doing full auto shots. Okay, so basically we are done. So for this clip, I'm going to show you what is the importance of upgrading the main camera sensor and also getting a higher megapixel periscope telephoto camera as well. Okay, so as you can see right now from the viewfinder over here, left hand S23 Ultra, right hand is the S24 Ultra. Right now, if you're doing 8K videos, yeah, you can use the periscope to zoom it in. Yes. So on the previous Galaxy S23 Ultra, you only able to do it via digital zoom. So now you can use the periscope and also enhance, continuing to zoom it up to 10 times digital zoom in 8K. I think it's really fantastic. Okay, so yeah, pretty much amazing. Now you can punch in zoom so much in 8K 30 frames per second. So I do know that some people are very worried about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5 times optical zoom, periscope telephoto camera will not be able to compete with the 10 times optical zoom on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But to be honest, it actually performs really well. So I'm going to show you guys right now. Here's the preview. Okay, so right now I'm at the 10x zoom. Okay, I'm going to let you guys see. So my right hand side here is the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and my left hand side is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You do notice that the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks a little bit noisier. Okay, and also you do notice the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks much more clearer as well. So tonight the sky looks quite nice for a moonshot. No clouds are disturbing the moon. So right now I am using the Galaxy S24 Ultra right now. Okay, and I'm going to punch into the 100 times digital zoom. Okay. Okay, so we have done the shot with the Galaxy S24 Ultra over here, and right now next one we are going to use the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, so yeah, let's search for the moon. Okay, so I got my moonshot and check out the samples of the moonshot. Alright. Okay, so right now I'm simulating low light condition. I'm gonna do a quick selfie over here, and yeah, let's go and check out how is it gonna works. So I'm currently using the Galaxy S24 Ultra over here. I'm not gonna use the night mode. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly just shoot it once. Okay, done. And maybe I'll just do one more with the night mode being turned on. Okay, done with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And let's get the Galaxy S23 Ultra over here. So again, without the night mode, and right now with the night mode. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is the selfie video. So we're going to see how are they going to work with. Okay, by the way, the selfie videos, all these are coming directly from the mics, built-in mics. Okay, not with the DJI mic. Alright folks, so this video is being shot with the Galaxy S24 Ultra's front-facing camera in 4K 30 frames per second, and simulating in the low light situation. What do you think about the video and the audio quality? Let me know in the comments. Alright folks, so it's Yat Kean here, shooting this one via the Galaxy S23 Ultra front-facing camera, 4K 30 frames per second, low light situation. This is the video quality and the audio quality. What do you think? Okay folks, so it's already 9:04 AM right now, and the battery life on this guy here, the S24 Ultra, has already reached 71% here. And yeah, it's going to be important for me to test out a little bit on its battery life, but I will continue on today's daylight shot. So I think I'm gonna wrap up everything by 12 p.m. and I'll give you my final impression about this Samsung Galaxy S24 for like 12 hours of usage. Okay, so let's go. One more thing, all the tests on this Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra I'm currently doing is using either Wi-Fi or 5G connectivity. So now is a perfect example time for me to test out the daylight shots. So over here you can see I'm taking all the shots and bam, I'm gonna take the 3 times telephoto camera and gonna punch in a little bit more. Perhaps we go for 10. For the Galaxy S24 Ultra, right now there's no more director's view. Now it's called Dual Record. Okay, so I think this is really awesome feature for those who wants to do vlogging, because right now you can capture up to 4K 30, and that is simply amazing. Front and rear camera, yeah, you can do that. Not only that, you can switch your lenses, and then you can save the videos in separate file, or you just save as it is previewed. And here are the sample video. So one more thing about the Galaxy S24 Ultra is that right now you can use this dual recording, previously known as director's view. So you can now shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second, front and rear, only on the Ultra model, okay? And I think this is really great for those who want to do vlogging videos. So I need to show you guys this. So right now, you can switch all the lenses when you're shooting in 4K 60 frames per second. So I'm going to show you right now. So I'm currently shooting in 4K 60. So I'm going to switch to the rear lens, main, ultra wide, 3 times, 5 times, and 10 times. So you can see that right now you can do seamless zooming in 4K 60 frames per second with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So now I also want to show you that actually the Galaxy S24 Ultra has some additional improvements in terms of like the speakers, which Samsung did not try to highlight it for some reason. Okay, so now what I have here is the Galaxy S24 Ultra on the left side here, and the S23 Ultra over here on the right side here. So I'm gonna play them in the loudest volume as possible, as you can watch here. So I'm gonna play the S23 Ultra first. Okay, so now let's listen to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Honestly, I think the Galaxy S24 Ultra sounds much more louder, crispier, and the bass is really better. Now, as you all may know, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is using titanium for its body, and Samsung does claim that is lighter compared to the predecessor model. Now, I have here the Galaxy S23 Ultra and here the Galaxy S24 Ultra, putting side by side. To be honest, I really can't feel any major difference. Just maybe perhaps that slight weight reduction. Yeah, that's it. But overall, both phones are still really huge phone. So nonetheless, I also wouldn't reject the idea to use titanium on a flagship smartphone, because it really adds an additional protection benefit for the users as well. So it's time for me to give my quick overall impression on this Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm gonna start off first with the battery performance here. So I have like stopped charging this device 11 hours 33 minutes ago, and right now battery life is 45%. So I am using a mixture of Wi-Fi, 5G connection, and then I have been changing the display settings as well. So right now everything is running 120 Hz dynamic refresh settings, and in QHD resolution as well. Pretty much impressive. And the screen on time right now is 3 hours 56 minutes. So the battery optimization is still not there yet, because it takes a few days to recognize your activity to optimize the battery life over here. So without the optimization, I still feel is pretty impressive for this device to deliver such a longevity battery life. And then I have to talk about the design on this Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I have here, I think you all know already, this is the S23 Ultra. I like the S23 Ultra design, and they still put in the same element but tweak the design, flat display, titanium body, all the new things on this device has really grown onto me. Even within less than half a day of usage, if you really need a device that can deliver everything in terms of performance and cameras and so much more, battery life, software features, yeah, this is the device for you. And speaking about the cameras, you have saw the comparisons, the shots, and so on. Pretty much you do know that I am impressed with what they are offering right now for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Definitely, if you are someone in the content creation, or maybe professional mobile photographer, videographer, user, it does delivers it. And yeah, pretty much that's my quick impression on the device. I can't give you the gaming performance, the whole battery life performance as well. I can only give you this much of details for this less than 12 hours of usage on this Galaxy S24 Ultra. So hopefully you guys love this kind of video, and I appreciate much if you are still new to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it. Does help a lot for us to get devices and other products to test out as well. And if you do like this kind of videos, hey, give a thumbs up, like, share the video out, and follow us on the social media as well. All the links to the social media and the website is in the description. Last but not least, make sure to go and head to the website, go and read all the news articles. And basically, that's it for the unboxing, comparison, and quick impression on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'll see you guys on the full review video of this device. Hopefully this content will satisfy you enough to do a quick pre-order for this device in Malaysia and for the global market as well. I'm Yat Kean once again, and I sign off. See you guys on the next content.